Today
Show them your pajamas. What Auntie bought. Yeah, his Auntie bought him that pajama before Halloween, and it's so cute. So he wore it for Halloween now. Ah, look. Look. Jack Skellington and Halloween. Jack, but he like kind of got another Jack Skellington, but he wear it. So Connor chose this with his auntie. His auntie got it at TJ Maxx for $10, $9.99 plus tax. So Connor, open right here. Let's see. Connor wanted to get this. He said he wanted to be science. Oh, he did it the wrong way. So now he dropped everything. So it's that way. So what does it come with? It come with these. So I guess it's to make stuff. So that's cute. It got a smiley face. This thing has a smiley face on it. So let's see what it has. So Connor, move your hand. So hands-on learning. Conduct edible experiment using ingredients found in everyday kitchen. So this is what Connor has. So he has a flask with a happy face. This is with a happy face. This and these shapes. So let's see what it makes. Open your. This is nothing. This is just dry packet to keep it from not getting messed up. Okay, so it's so Connor can. They have these ingredients so Connor can make. So they have double chocolate muffin recipe. So it has 5. Count how many you have. Should have 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, and then they have brittle nibble peanut crunch recipe. So that's dessert. Let's see. Connor, help mommy open it. So it has, let's see, it has microwave-free popcorn. So you don't microwave it. You just put it in a pan. And then yolks on you. So I don't know. We'll do that. And then this one is sweet and puffy meringue cookie recipe. Rise dough making. Mama Mia, what a piece of recipe. So Connor thought it was something else. Connor knew it was kitchen stuff. So this is what you do to make. So I guess we're gonna make this. When me and Connor, let's gonna do this. We'll see what we need. Those are the things that we need. We're gonna make it. Connor, say bye.